We need to encourage humanity in some way or other to look deep within in their inner world to the religion of compassion, peace, empathy, calmness, as well as purity. Welcome to the space of higher thoughts, Theta Healing with Rachna Mehra. The virus teaching is shifting us into a space of gentler as well as kinder space in our minds, bodies, as well as in our thoughts. Meditation is a way that really helped me to come out and become more empathetic, have more patience, and be in service to humanity as well as your environment. Mother Earth is always regenerating, and this pandemic, Mother Earth, the planet, is regenerating itself by putting us indoors. This can create a lot of anxiety, fear, phobias, as well as stress, mentally, physically, as well as emotionally. So I would just request you to take a moment, few seconds, to just close your eyes and go inward and see and feel which part of your body is sensing that intensity, that low frequency of rage, anger, fear, depression, stress, or anxiety. Scale it from 0 to 10, 0 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Now that you know and you've sensed this heavy energy in your body and you've felt it in your body, I want you to close your eyes once again. Thank you. And come into that present moment and into that awareness and call on that energy or any tool that you use. So as for me, I use Theta Healing. So I say, Creator of all that is. It is a small command you may repeat. I call on the light matrix to transmute this heavy energy into light and lightness. Any unwanted energy that serves me no purpose is clean, cut, clear, cancel, and transmuted into the doors of the source, into light and lightness, and so be it. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. Just sense and feel the energy through your crown in form of light or in form of feeling, just flowing into that heavy part of your body where you sensed that intensity. I want you to again close your eyes for a moment and go back into that area. Bring yourself into awareness, into that present moment. Sense and feel the intensity now on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. How do you feel? Good. If you feel better, congratulations. And if not, you keep repeating this command. Creator of all that is, it is requested. Light, call on the light matrix to clear, clean, cut, cancel this high intensity and transmute into light and lightness. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. And so be it. You just witness that energy to change and transmute into pure love and light of the source energy. And you see the magic in your bodies. To know more about Theta Healing, visit my website www.rachna-thetahealing.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification, and look forward for more suggestions and guidance. We are here to inspire you and motivate you. Raise your energy, shine your energy. Ciao for now.